Guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to give you a real quick update about our trading plan that I posted earlier today on YouTube. And this is the trading range where we are in right now for the BTC USD pair on the 15 minutes. And this right here, these 15-minute candles, this was all red for Bybit, so I think like 12 candles in a row or something, and there was quite a lot. I took a short from here. After I took a short here, it got stopped out, so that was on break even, but now this short was pretty good and I just closed it at this level. And the reason why I took it was because we hit daily open, and I think we also had a fib level right there, so I took it at approximately 21,500. You can see that the candle just went a little bit higher, but perfectly had an order right there, and I took the trade and then I closed it right here, so nice profit for the day. But of course not in line with the plan so far that we had for the day, which is that we are going lower, taking out the 20,700, which is an SFP all the way from this dip right here, 20,700, as we talked about earlier today. I will also post a video that I made this morning on at the end of this video, so you can just click through. But I have to say that also we are kind of at support and resistance, because if I zoom back in at the price action that we had more recently, then we see that we're having 1, 2, 3 kind of bottoms. So and also especially with 12 red 15-minute candles in a row, it made a lot of sense that we are going to bounce sooner or later. Let me quickly zoom in here on the 5-minute. You can also see actually that we went low pretty far. All in all, percentage wise, nice trade, not tremendously, approximately 2 to 2.5% depending on the entry. So that was a pretty nice, but it looks like that there might be a chance that we're bouncing off here again, as we just did also previously here, here, and here. Now one thing that I'm looking out for, let's say we are not SFPing the low and then we're going higher, then this might be a W pattern. And this is actually a pattern that I like, because look at this bottom right here, and this bottom is a little bit higher. That for me is a perfect W pattern, where the second W, so to say, is then a little bit higher than this one, therefore creates a little bit of a higher low. If that would work out, then real quick, let's take a measured move and let's be conservative. Let's take the second bottom then from the W, approximately till here, put it on top. And then we are getting approximately yesterday's high. That is the level that I'm looking out for, 21,800. If we succeed, that is just a bit of a smaller trade. Now, a few things that are super interesting I'm looking out for. I'm also a little bit amazed, to be honest, is that we have the DXY, so the dollar index, pumping like crazy. Almost now fighting with those recent highs. As you can see, 108, 109. We have not really breached it or SFP'd it, but I am keeping a very close eye on this, because if we're doing something like this, SFPing, and then we're going lower, then this thing really goes lower. This was a failed move, and BTC will start pumping then in the next couple of days. If that doesn't happen and we are grinding higher, then BTC will start dumping again, and I will act accordingly. S&P 500 for the day so far, my lordy, let's be honest, it's a bloodbath. More than 2%, 2.2% already down for the day. What I found interesting is that BTC is not dumping down together with the S&P, and therefore also not dumping down against the dollar index, because when the dollar index is pumping, then BTC is dumping. That's always what they say, but so far that doesn't happen. We are holding the range. Now sometimes BTC is a little bit lagging, so I'm keeping a very close eye to what's going on here. But this could be very interesting. So again, maybe we bounce off if we are creating a W, and I am looking here for the tops. If not, as you can see, we're also here underneath the value area low. Maybe we're finally going to SFP that 20,700, which was the bottom some time ago here exactly. That will be nice. Then I will try to put in a long. But if we start trending lower, there is no bounce. Then we are really starting closing 4 hourlies or dailies underneath the 20,700. I am taking a massive short position because that means that we lost the local point of, the macro point of control that you can see right here. We're probably gonna lose then the golden pocket, and then we are just quickly going down towards that 19k. To be honest, I hope it will not happen. I really hope that we are going to bounce up soon, but it is some very interesting price action. Again, I just closed the short position. I wanted to take my profit. That's why we're in the market, to take the profits when we can, to come back tomorrow another day and to be back on that trading table again, that we have some ammunition to do so. But this is right now the current situation. So I would say really a make or break moment. If you have taken any of these trades, if you were profitable today, then let me know. If you wasn't, then also please let me know in the comments. I'm really curious. When you're down there anyways, also please do me a favor, like and subscribe. And in the meantime, you can follow me on Twitter. I posted a lot of value today on Twitter, especially for you, all for free. So definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much. See you next one. Bye bye.